If you're a girl, then you already know. When you get to replace one of your like empties, it's a good day. So I got 2 of them so that we can check them out. It's just like a lip stain. Guys, when I tell you I've had this for completely seriously, like 3 years, and I use it daily. So I replaced that one, and then I also got a new color so that we can try them. And I thought I'd share with you guys, because this has literally become basically my only lip product. All right, so this one is, does it have the name? I do like this because trust me, you would not want this dye to spill in transit. This lip stain, like, you get your money's worth because it stains your lips for the day. All right. Sorry, bye. Sorry, that was aggressive. This is what we are working with. Sir, get out of the picture. Oh. So this one is, they don't have the name. I'll put it in the comments section. I guess first we'll do a swatch test. Oh, sorry, I was doing another swatch test. Just pretend you didn't see that. Do it over here on this hand. Okay, maybe a little more than a little. By the way, if you enjoy real videos from a real person, just not being sponsored, just buying products and telling you what they think, subscribe, because that's all we do here. So those are the 2 colors. Now let's rub them in. So it's like a pinky peachy. So pretty. I've never had this one before, so I'm actually really excited to try it. I think what I'm gonna try to do, let me flip the camera around so we can have a lookie. Well, hello there. All right, I left my lips looking dry and completely yucky for you guys. I did it for you. So how about we do one half with one color and the other half with the other color? I'm so excited to try this peach one. This is this one. All right, get her here. Now, usually what I do is I'll put a lip gloss or a chapstick on and then wait a couple seconds, and then I'll put this over, okay? It just lays down a little bit better. And then what I'll do is I'll turn it around and I just kind of go this way. I know this is a good look, okay? And then normally I'll just let it dry for a second and then I'll come back and do another one, and then completely seriously, I'll just hit it with like a gloss, or like this, I'll just go over it with one dot, you know, just to kind of make it a little more peachy, but ooh, interesting. Okay, now let's do the pink one. And y'all are like, I did not come here to see this lady with her mouth wide open. Well, too bad, because that's what you're getting. Just kidding. What do you guys think? Let's do one more coat, but that's one coat, okay? Guys, when I tell you, like, I used to spend so much money on lipstick, a ridiculous amount, and lip liner and all this other nonsense, and now I literally just use this, lip gloss, and sometimes a little bit of lip color. What I like about these, they're a good base. So if you had these 2 bases and then maybe 2 lipsticks of like maybe a cream and then one like a light pink, you could make a bajillion different shades. That's what I like about it. So what do we think? Can you guys see the difference? I'm 50, so it's really important to me. Like, I don't like to do lip liner because I feel like that's not a good look as you get older. I think it looks softer if you just have kind of like your natural lips and it doesn't look overdrawn, because that just looks cheeky, right? And sure, you can get away with it in your 20s when you're smoking hot. I know I did, but we're in our 50s now, so let's keep it 100. But anyways, what do you guys think? And if you have big fluffy lips, like look like couches, good for you. And I hate you secretly. Not really. My daughter does too. It's insane. So annoying. I could only dream. Anyways, that's what it looks like. And then let me show you what I do. So obviously you guys know what it would look like with lip gloss. But sometimes what I'll do, so I have this, which is just some like e.l.f. blush or whatever. And I will literally, and this is not a joke, this is what I do pretty much every single day. And I'll just put like a few dots. And I don't even do this all the time, just sometimes, depending on what I'm wearing. Give it a slightly like peachier color, you know? And then I will literally just blend it out with my little finger and then throw on some lip gloss, and dead serious, that's it for the day. Like, this is the only thing that's going with me for the day, because for whatever reason, this stuff sticks to this. So when I leave the house, this is all I have with me is my lip gloss. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you ever tried this? What's your favorite lip stain? These are definitely budget friendly, like supremely budget friendly. And they're fantastic. Like if you're going on vacation, this is great because again, it doubles as a blush. But please, blend quickly. All right. That's it. Y'all let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.